So good morning once again. Let's start the new chapter, comparing quantities, chapter number 8, comparing. So class, in this chapter, comparing quantities, we are going to compare many different quantities. Let's for example, if I say 2 kg is less than 3 pounds, can we say this thing? Please tell. Can we say this that 2 kg is less than 3 pounds? We cannot even compare them. They both are weights, class. They both are weights only. 2 kg is also what you say answer for weight of something, and 3 pounds is also weight of something. But we cannot compare them like this. Why? Because the units are different. First, we need to make the unit same. First, we need to make the unit same, then only we can compare. Sir, pound is half of kg. You can say it is nearly 2.20 something. 1 kg is nearly 2.20 something pounds. That is why, if you have ever heard of WWE, people who are what you say watching it, they will tell you the weight is in 500 pounds, 700 pounds. So they have weights like this. Okay, but in India we go for kgs. In India we measure the weight in kgs. Okay, so similar with time also. I watch Jitesh Kurana. Beta, no need to watch something what you say na, informative. Now see, what do we have? Suppose we have time. If I have time, suppose 1 hour plus 20 minutes. Can I say it is 21 hours? Can I say 1 hour plus 21 minutes is 21 hours? Or can I say 1 hour plus 20 minutes is 21 minutes? Can we say this thing? We cannot say like this because we cannot even add these two. To add them, they should be having same units. Then only you can add them. So first you need to convert both the units in similar one. So 1 hour can be written as 60 minutes plus 20 minutes. Now you can add them. It becomes 80 minutes. Or if you want to convert in hours, you have to change in hours. Same way. Okay. So this is the basic concept of this chapter, comparing quantities, where we will be comparing quantities of different units and we will try to understand how to compare them effectively. Okay. So let's see some examples more. Okay. They have shown some examples. If you see the page number 153, the first page of the chapter, you will find some examples are there. Hina is 2 times taller than Amir. So this is comparing. This is a comparison between Hina and Amir, because it is saying that Hina is 2 times taller than Amir. Similarly, it is saying Rita has 3 by 2 times the marbles that Amit has. So whenever you are comparing two people with their quantities, it is known as comparing quantities. Okay. Now let us see what is the first concept. First concept is, once again, example 1. Let's see the example 1. Abhas, switch off your video, beta. Others are being disturbed by that. First example is find the ratio of 3 kilometer to 300 meters. Find the ratio of 3 kilometer to 300 meters. So class, can we tell the ratio is 3 is to 300? and the answer is 1 is to 100. Is it correct like this? Can we say the ratio is 1 is to 100? No, we cannot compare like this. Before comparison, before finding the ratio, we should make them of same unit first. For that, let's see what to do. So there are two things. Either I can convert this kilometer into meters, or I can convert meters into kilometers. Class, please tell me which one is easy. Kilometer to meter or meter to kilometer? Which one is easy? No, Bunny. Easier is kilometer to meter, because in this case you multiply. But when you go from meter to kilometer, you are actually dividing. So let's see. There are two methods. I am showing you both the methods to make you understand the concept. Let's see. I will take both the cases. In the first case, I will say in 1 kilometer, how many meters are there, class? Please answer. In 1 kilometer, how many meters are there? Yes, there are 1,000 meters. So we can say, therefore, 3 kilometer is equal to 3 into how much? If 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters, that means 3 kilometers can be written as 3 into 1,000 meters, and the answer is 3,000 meters. So now we have got both the quantities in meters. Now we can find the ratio. So the ratio will be given by 3,000 upon 300. They both are of same unit. 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. 3 ones are 3, 3 tens are 30. Answer is 10 is to 1. This is the ratio. Okay, Bani is asking why multiplication is easier than division. Because Bani, it is normal practice that we have seen. Whenever you have to add something, it is always easy. Then subtraction. Similarly, when you have to multiply something, it is always easy than division. You will find this. Okay. Now see, sir, how 100 came? Beta, where? Who is asking? Himanshi is asking. So please give definitions, Lavya. Lavya, definition is not there. We are just comparing things. There is no such definition for comparing. Okay. Class, now see the other method. If I want to convert from meters to kilometers, what should I say? In 1 meter, how many kilometers? Please answer. In 1 meters, how many kilometers are there? We all know in 1 kilometer there are 1,000 meters. But what is the reverse thing? Yes, it is 1 upon 1,000. In 1 meter, there are 1 upon 1,000 kilometers. Yes, comparison means when you are comparing two things for their, what you say, which one is larger, which one is smaller, which one is warmer, which one is colder. This is all comparison. Okay. Sir, if we divide, the answer will come in points. Yes, beta. Let us see. Now we have to convert 300 meters into kilometers. So class, what will we do? 300 upon 1,000 kilometers. 0 0 will cancel, 0 0 will cancel. Answer will be 0.3 kilometers. Answer will be 0.3 kilometers. Now we have to find the ratio. Let's find the ratio. The ratio will be given by 3 upon 0.3. Now if you remove this decimal, 110 will come in the numerator, 3 and 3 will cancel, and the answer will be 10 is to 1. So you can see I have done the same question in two ways. Which way is easier? Because in the first case we are multiplying, so it is easier always to multiply than to divide. Answer is same in both the cases. You can go for any method. Sir, please explain the second way, Lavya. Lavya, in the second way, I tried to convert this 300 meters into kilometers. For that, I need the conversion formula, and the conversion formula is 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometers. Now you must be asking, sir, from where you got this conversion formula? For that, please go back to chapter number 2. I gave you a line: King Henry died, mother did not cry much. So we are here. No, we are not here. 1 second. Let me do the undo. We want to go from meters to kilometers. No, we want to go left side. 1 jump, 2 jump, and 3 jump. So for each jump, we will divide by 10. So as there are 3 jumps, we will say 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometers. So now I understood why you told like that, because by dividing it will come in decimal or fraction. Yes, beta. Always subtraction you will always find in your life whenever you have to add something, because constructing in your mind is easier than destructing. Whenever you are dividing something, whenever you are subtracting something, it is difficult for you to do in mind, but multiplication and and addition is easier. So Lavya, I hope you got this. Why 1 meter equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometers? And with this thing, I converted 300 meters. I converted 300 meters into kilometers. It became zero point 0.3 kilometers. After that, I found the ratio very easily, 3 upon zero point 0.3, and I tried to find it. Okay, that's it. Yes, beta. This was the first question, the first example. Now let's see the second concept. This was the finding ratio concept that we have seen. Second concept is equivalent ratio that we have already learned, class, if you remember. Equivalent ratios. You remember, class, in chapter number 9 we have done this concept, we have already learned in chapter number 9. So they are asking, are the ratios 1 by 2, example number 2, are 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 3? Please tell class, are these two ratios equal? They are asking. No, they are not equal, because when you simplify them, you will find that they cannot be simplified further and they are not equal. So please repeat once again, Mokshita. Mokshita, we are doing the concept of equivalent fraction. Let me repeat it for you. Yes, beta, you can do examples if you want, no issue. This is your classwork already. Now, so class, can you tell me which one is larger amongst these two? 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Can you tell me which one is larger? If they are not equal, which one is larger? Himanshi is saying 2 by 3. Okay. Before comparison, we have to make them like fractions. Similar way, class. Before comparison, comparing kilometer and meter, we change the unit to same thing. Here also, before comparison, we have to make them similar. We have to make them like terms. So we can write, find the LCM of 2 and 3. Class, what is LCM of 2 and 3? LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So we have to write the equivalent fraction of 1 by 2. And that will be like this. So this is the equivalent fraction of 1 by 2, which is 1 3 is 3 and 6, and equivalent fraction of 2 by 3 is 4 upon 6. Now I think it is easier to compare. Now we can easily say which one is larger, class? Second one? Yes. So this is the concept of comparison. If you want to compare two things, you have to bring them to a same scale. Can you compare a class 9 student performance with a class 10th student performance? Yes, class. Can we compare class 9 student performance with class 10th student performance? No, because they have different situations. You cannot compare them. Similarly, you cannot compare a student of America and a student of India. They all have different conditions. That is why you will see in the ad of Bonvita, they will say, in our experiment, we took 30 children, we gave them same diet. You will see in the ad of Bonvita or other, what you say, Horlicks and all, they will say, we took two groups of 30 each. In one group, we gave them same diet. In second group, we gave them the same diet plus Horlicks. And after that, we did the experimentation. Then you can compare. If you are giving the same conditions, then only you can compare. That is why Americans do not study Sanskrit. No, beta, it is wrong. They are studying Sanskrit. They are also studying Hindi also. Okay, we only think that they are not studying in Sanskrit. They are studying in that NASA also. They are thinking over it to what you say start Sanskrit language, because Sanskrit is the one of the most what you say oldest language and least what you say that confusing. Yes, they can perfectly speak Hindi also. Yes, Sanskrit is being used in America. Okay, now next example. Example number 3. Yes, beta, really. Example number 3 is following is the performance of a cricket team in matches it played. Now see, there is a table given to us year, last year, and this year. Here also there is a comparison, wins, losses. So we are comparing the same team, so we can compare it. Last year there were 8 wins, 2 losses, and this year there are 4 wins, 2 losses. Let us swear your video is on. Please switch it off. Now they are asking in which year was the record better? How can you say so? Yes, class. Tell me in which year the record was better. You have to understand, to compare we will have to find the ratios. No beta, last year was better. Why? Because losses are common, losses are same. On 8 wins you are having 2 losses, but in 4 wins you are having 2 losses. That means this is bad case and this one is better, because here you are winning more matches. Okay, let's see. What we are doing is we will try to find the ratio of win to loss. Last year the ratio was 8 is to 2, that is 4 is to 1. This year the ratio is 4 is to 2, that is 2 upon 1. So obviously 4 upon 1 is larger than 2 upon 1, and that is why we can say that the last year performance is better. His class. That's it. So class, try to, so but this year they played 10 matches and this year they played 6 matches. That is why we did the ratio thing. That is why we found the ratio. You are right. This year they have played less matches, but by the ratio method we can say till now the performance was better in the last year. Okay. Now, class, try this question number 1 today, because we already know the conversion units. Try to solve question number 1 today, and tomorrow we will discuss further. Let me stop the recording.